Here's a guide on how to make a popular Indian street food snack, chaat. A tangy and flavorful street food delight. Ingredients: 1. 2 cups boiled and cubed potatoes. 2. 1 cup boiled chickpeas. 3. 1 cup chopped onions. 4. 1 cup chopped tomatoes. 5. Half a cup chopped fresh coriander leaves. 6. A quarter cup tamarind chutney. 7. A quarter cup mint-coriander chutney. 8. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 9. 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder. 10. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste. 11. Sev, crispy chickpea flour noodles. 12. Pomegranate seeds, optional. 13. Plain yogurt, optional. 14. Papdi, crispy fried dough wafers, optional, assembly. Prepare chutneys. Make tamarind chutney by diluting tamarind paste with water and adding sugar and salt to taste. Blend mint and coriander leaves with green chilies, ginger, and a pinch of salt to create the mint-coriander chutney. Assemble ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine boiled potatoes, chickpeas, chopped onions, tomatoes, and fresh coriander leaves. Add chutneys and spices. Drizzle tamarind chutney and mint coriander chutney over the ingredients. Sprinkle chaat masala, roasted cumin powder, and red chili powder. Adjust the quantities according to your taste preferences. Mix and garnish. Gently toss the ingredients to ensure an even coating of chutneys and spices. Garnish with sev for crunchiness. Add pomegranate seeds for sweetness, and if desired, a dollop of yogurt. Optionally, break papdi into smaller pieces and add for additional texture. Serve immediately. Chaat is best enjoyed fresh and immediately after preparation. Serve in individual bowls or on plates, ensuring that each bite captures the delightful medley of flavors. Enjoy the burst of tangy, spicy, and sweet flavors in this homemade chaat, a beloved street food snack in Indian cuisine.